UE or UX Development. Lecture 4. UI Design Principles and Elements. UI Design Principles: Consistency, Hierarchy, etc. UI Design Elements: Color, Typography, Icons, etc. Applying design principles to UI design. UI design principles: consistency, hierarchy, etc. UI design principles refer to a set of guidelines that designers use to create interfaces that are effective, usable, and visually appealing. Some of the most important UI design principles include: 1. Consistency. Consistency in UI design means that all elements of an interface should look and behave consistently. Consistency helps users learn how to use an interface more quickly and easily. 2. Hierarchy. UI design should communicate the importance of different elements through hierarchy. This can be done through visual cues such as size, color, or placement. 3. Simplicity. Good UI design should be simple and easy to understand. This means that designers should aim to use as few elements as possible to communicate the necessary information. 4. Feedback. Users should receive feedback when they interact with an interface. This can be done through visual or audio cues, such as button presses or sounds. 5. Accessibility. UI design should be accessible to all users, including those with disabilities. Designers should take into account factors such as color blindness and screen reader compatibility. 6. Flexibility. A UI should be flexible enough to accommodate different use cases and scenarios. This means that designers should consider how users might use an interface in different contexts. 7. Aesthetics. Good UI design should be visually appealing and pleasing to the eye. This means using a consistent color scheme, typography, and imagery. UI design elements: color, typography, icons, etc. UI design elements refer to the visual components of a user interface that are used to create an attractive and engaging design. The key UI design elements include: 1. Color. Color is a powerful tool that can be used to convey emotions, set the tone of the UI, and create contrast between different UI elements. 2. Typography. Typography refers to the selection and use of fonts in UI design. Fonts can be used to convey personality, hierarchy, and readability. 3. Icons. Icons are graphical symbols used to represent actions or objects in the UI. They are an effective way to communicate meaning and improve usability. 4. Images and graphics. Images and graphics are visual elements that are used to support the content and message of the UI. They can create visual interest and communicate complex concepts. 5. Space. The use of space in UI design is essential to creating a well-balanced and aesthetically pleasing design. It includes the use of white space, margins, and padding. 6. Consistency. Consistency in UI design refers to using the same design elements and patterns across the entire UI to create a cohesive and familiar experience for users. 7. Hierarchy. Hierarchy in UI design refers to the arrangement of elements on the screen to guide the user's attention and convey the importance of different UI elements. 8. Layout. The layout of a UI refers to how the elements are arranged on the screen. It can be used to create visual interest and improve the user experience. Applying design principles to UI design. Applying design principles to UI design involves using fundamental principles of design to create user interfaces that are aesthetically pleasing, usable, and effective in meeting the needs of users. Here are some of the key design principles and how they can be applied to UI design. 1. Consistency. Consistency helps users understand and predict how different UI elements will behave. Consistent use of colors, typography, icons, and other visual elements can help users navigate and interact with interfaces more easily. 2. Hierarchy. Hierarchy is the arrangement of UI elements in order of importance or significance. By using hierarchy, designers can guide users' attention to the most important content or actions on the screen. 3. Contrast. Contrast is the difference between two or more visual elements. It can be used to highlight important content or create visual interest in an interface. 4. Balance. Balance is the distribution of visual elements in an interface. It helps create a sense of harmony and can be used to draw attention to important UI elements. 5. White space, also known as negative space. White space is the empty space between UI elements. It can be used to create a sense of clarity and simplicity, and to draw attention to important content. 6. Color. Color is an important element of UI design. It can be used to convey emotion, create visual interest, and guide users' attention. 7. Typography. Typography refers to the use of fonts and text in UI design. Good typography can improve legibility, convey tone, and create visual interest. 8. Icons. Icons are visual representations of actions, concepts, or objects. They can help users navigate and understand interfaces more easily. Thanks for watching. Wait for more informative video.